Hello everyone friends! On Wella's channel today I'll show you what to do if your iPhone suddenly restarts or freezes during loading. Yeah, basically lags. First off, of course, I recommend checking your storage. To do this, we need to go to Settings General, then go to iPhone Storage, Storage, and see if you have enough memory. Here I still have more or less. If everything here is already very close to full capacity of your storage, then you need to clean it up. So the next method is to simply try restarting it. To do this, you need to press the bottom button and the power button and turn it off. After that, turn it back on by holding the power button. If it doesn't respond to anything at all, then you need to press the volume up button, volume down button, and hold the power button. Then it will turn off in any case. Here we hold it, and as you can see, it turned off. There. I recommend doing all this while charging or just plug in the charger. Be sure to check, maybe it's all because of the battery. Next I just press it and it turns on. Also there's an option to connect to a computer and do a phone reset there. This is for extreme cases. This was Weller. Bye everyone.